We recently had a customer ask us if we could implement a vendor marketplace. The idea was to provide a secure web portal experience for their members to be able to browse different vendor products that have been published in the marketplace, learn about them, and see whether they're the right product for their business. So we built it. What I'm about to show you is what we created in trellispark with less than a day of effort. And this isn't just a prototype or proof of concept. This is a highly secure and scalable solution. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so I've logged in as a user that has four different types of user roles in the marketplace. A workspace admin user role, that is the organization that's actually hosting the actual marketplace. UX creator role. This is the internal admin role to be able to actually create and configure this user experience that we're looking at. A member, so this would be an individual that's actually a member of the marketplace. And the vendor, so an organization that wants to publish information on the marketplace. Okay, so let's first go in as a member. So the member can see a few different things. We've just for fun created a market news feed. And here we could publish any kind of information, could be different information about different products, such as OpenAI's romance. And then we also have the ability to search different products. So here we have a list of all sorts of different curated products that different vendors have published on the marketplace. And if you notice, I've got this feature at the bottom to ask AI. So if I click on that, I can ask any questions that I have about any of these different products that are on the marketplace. So for example, I could say, what are the benefits of the trellis product? And what this is doing is this is capturing the contextual information that's been published on the marketplace only and using that as the information that it's responding with in order to provide information. So in this case, we published some information about the TELUS Health Pro bundle and the various benefits that it provides. So I can ask any question that I have about any of these different products and get some guidance as to what would be appropriate for my business. Okay, the other thing that I can do is also look at the member details. So this could be any kind of CRM type information that we want to publish on the marketplace for the member. And again, the member could ask questions to AI about its information, such as, what has been invoiced. And all of this information, again, is just the contextual information of only this member. So the member could not possibly see any other information other than the information that is published or available for this particular member. Okay, so let's switch to a different user role. Let's try the vendor role. So as a vendor, we can do a few different things. So we have various or some basic information about the vendor itself, and we can publish different products on the marketplace. So in this case, I have the trellispark product, and I can upload an image for the product. I've, I've got a general description of what the product is about, and then additional product details that can be provided, as well as legal terms. And I can also go through a workflow process where I could submit this to the marketplace administrator to then approve it to be published onto the marketplace. Okay, so let's now look at the workspace admin user role. So as a workspace admin role, I have lots of different capabilities. I can, of course, view the market news. I could create new market news. So I could modify what's currently published and I can create new news articles. I can view all of the different members that are on the marketplace and go into the details of each of these different members. I can also view all of the different vendors and go into their products and view whatever products that they have as well. All of that was done with less than a day of effort. In fact, it took us more time to enter the content